These pillars shape a new breed of prepared leaders. The boot camp is structured in 4 phases, each building on the last, a comprehensive roadmap for an era of kingdom advancement. Phase 1 is for right now, sharpen life and ministry today. Effective prayer patterns, operate in gifts within a team. Be faithful in small things, proven for greater things. If a sudden global shift occurs, leaders will be needed. Crisis management from a kingdom perspective. Gather, care, lead. The saints will reign with Christ. Literal governance, righteous administration, applying biblical wisdom to law, mercy, and restoration. Train to stand firm when opposition rises again. This curriculum equips you for escalating responsibilities. You're being prepared for the glories of the age to come. From where you are to where God needs you, step by step. This is your divine commission in motion. You must not wait. Do not delay your preparation. This is a present tense necessity. The hour is urgent. Entering this season untrained is running into battle unarmed. We will judge angels. We will reign with Christ. Administrate nations with heaven's wisdom. Execute the king's orders with love. Clean up devastation. Shepherd nations into kingdom life. These tasks require steady hands, pure hearts, trained minds. Build capacity before the crisis arrives. Now is the time to forge discipline and obedience. Learn kingdom protocol. Renew your mind with the Word. The world will need leaders anchored in faith and compassion. Creation waits for the revealing of God's sons and daughters. Your training today is an investment in tomorrow's hope. Every prayer, every scripture, every act of obedience builds capacity. Your preparation begins today. You have read the call. You have seen the signs. You feel the urgency. This is your break-in moment. Do not ignore it. God invites you to His remnant company for the greatest move yet. Training will be rigorous, standards high. The process will test you. The Spirit's crucible will refine you and fill you with unshakable joy and purpose. The King requires a prepared people, heart, soul, and strength. Do not hesitate. The enrollment is now. Enroll in the ranks. Stand ready to lead with Christ. Your training begins today.